Hey guys, today I'm going to be making keto rice pudding. I'm going to be honest with you, I've never made it before and I've never tried it. But it looks so good and there's a whole lot of people that are asking about it. So I was just like, well, I'm going to make it. This recipe comes from My Keto Kitchen. And we're going to start off with the saucepan. We're going to bring it to about medium. We're going to add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And she says 1/3 cup of whatever sweetener that you want. And she has granulated on there. But I'm doing 1/2 cup because I have allulose, and for some reason that's not sweet enough for me. So I put 1/2 cup rather than 1/3. So I did my 1/2 cup. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. She calls it vanilla essence. How adorable. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to stir this up. Okay, it's coming to a slight simmer here. We're going to add 12 ounces of cauliflower rice. Now, I just got the frozen stuff. I heated it up a little bit to get it warm. I put it in the strainer to let the water kind of drain out. So we're going to add this. And we're going to simmer uncovered for 10 minutes. Okay, side note, I smelled it. It smells pretty good. FYI. Okay, I was stirring it occasionally. I'm going to give it one more little stir here. And we're going to take it off the heat. Okay, I have 3 egg yolks here. And we're going to go ahead and whisk those just a little bit. And then we're going to temper the eggs. We're going to take a little bit of the rice mixture. Just so we don't cook the eggs. Gonna get another one here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and place the mixture back on the heat. We're going to take the egg mixture and whisk that on in there. And we're going to let this simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. It's a little liquidy. That's probably due to the frozen cauliflower rice that I used. And I had to turn the heat up a little bit just to get it kind of what the thickness should be. Why does my pour spout have to be on the other side? This won't be pretty. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour it in. There we go. Okay, here's what it looks like. Okay, first bite. Oh man. Wow. Cinnamon on my fingers. I am so shocked at how good this is. This is really, really good. This is going to be fantastic for people that are dying for something sweet. So she has this at 4 servings. Total carbs 6, but net 4. Quick side note, if someone is interested in putting in the comments a recipe that they want to see me try, I'll try it. Anyway, that's all the time I have. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.